Example 5. Determine arithmetic progression whose third term is 5 and seventh term is 9. Determine arithmetic progression whose third term is 5 and second term is 9. So here third term a3 is equal to, so general form is a plus 2d. So according to the problem, third term is 5. Okay, so this is an equation, let it be 1. And seventh term, that is a7. So in general we write a plus 6d, and according to the problem, seventh term is 9. Now this is an equation, let it be 2. Now equation 2 minus equation 1. So subtract equation 1 from this second equation. So what is second equation? A plus 6d is equal to 9, and first equation is a plus 2d is equal to 5. So subtract first equation from this equation, second equation. Now when we subtract, change the sign. Now minus plus a minus a gets cancelled. Now plus 6d minus 2d, so 4d. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So here d is equal to 4 by 4 is equal to 1. So common difference d is equal to 4. 4d is equal to 4. Therefore d is equal to 4 by 4 is equal to 1. Now substituting d is equal to 4 in equation 1. So what is that equation? First equation, a plus 2d is equal to 5. So a plus 2d is equal to 5. Therefore a plus 2, what is value of d? D is equal to 1. So 1 is equal to 5. Now a plus 2 is equal to 5. Now a is equal to 5. Transpose this to that side, it will become minus 2. Therefore a is equal to 3. So the value of a is 3. Okay, now arithmetic progression. A1, A2, A3, A4 dash dash is equal to a first term and a plus d second term and a plus 2d third term and a plus 4d 3d fourth term. So like this. So now what is a is 3, and second term a plus d, that is 3 plus 1, and third term is 3 plus 2 into 1, and fourth term is 3 plus 3 into 1, which is equal to, this is 3 and this is 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, and this is 3 plus 1 2 is 2, 2 plus 3 5, and this is 3 1 is 3, 3 plus 3 6. So this is the required arithmetic progression. Check whether 301 is a term of the list of numbers 5, 11, 17, 23, so on. Once again, check whether 301 is a term of the list of numbers 5, 11, 17, 23, dash dash dash. Check whether 301 is a term of the list of numbers 5, 11, 17, 23, so on. So first we have to check whether this given list of numbers forms a arithmetic progression or not. then we check whether this 301 is one of the term of this series or not. That we have to check later. First of all, we have to check whether this given is forms a arithmetic progression. After that, we check whether this 301 is a term of this list of numbers. So first, let this is first term, second term, third term, fourth term. Okay. So let a2 minus a1, check whether a2 minus, find a2 minus a1. Okay, so what is a2? So this is second term, 11 minus first term, which is equal to 6, and a3 minus a2. So this is a3 and this is a2. So 17 minus 11 is equal to again 6. Now a4 minus a3. So this is fourth term and this is third term. So 23 minus 17. Again it is 6. So from these we conclude that a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2 is equal to a4 minus a3 is equal to 6. So therefore this list of numbers forms a arithmetic progression. So the given list of numbers forms arithmetic progression. Now here let nth term is equal to 301. Let nth term is 301. Okay, so general form of nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 301. Now what is a? So a is the first term, 5 plus n minus 1 into what is d? So d is 6 is equal to 301. Now 5 plus, so 6 into n, 6n, and 6 into minus 1 minus 6 is equal to 301. Now sum of this 5 and minus 6 is minus 1. So n minus 1. The resultant of 5 and minus 6 is minus 1 is equal to 301. Now transpose this minus 1 to that side. So 6n is equal to 301 plus 1 is equal to 302. Now transpose this 6 to that side. 302 by 6. 302 by 6. Okay. So now here n is equal to 302 by 6. Now 2 3s are 2 15s are and 2 1s are. So this is 151 by 3, which is equal to how much? Let the 3 5s are. This is 50 whole 1 by 3. So this n is equal to 50 whole 1 by 3 is not a positive integer. Not a positive integer. Therefore 301 is not a term of the given list of numbers. Why? If n is a positive integer, then we can say this 301 is one of the term in this series. But n is not a positive integer. It is not an integer. So the n value must be a positive integer, because number of terms are this is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, like that we have to count. But 50 whole 1 by 3 term will not exist here. Therefore 301 is not a term of this list of numbers. Example 7 question: how many 2-digit numbers are there which are divisible by 3? How many 2-digit numbers are there which are divisible by 3? So we have to find the number of 2-digit numbers which are divisible by 3. So 2-digit numbers. What are the 2-digit numbers? Two digits numbers. So 10, 11, 12, 13 like that up to 99. These are the 2 digits numbers. So among these the numbers which are divisible by 3. So numbers which are divisible by 3 are 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 like that up to 99. These are the numbers which are divisible by 3. So how many numbers are there? How many numbers are there? These type of numbers are there. How many these type of numbers are there? From 12 to 99. That we have to find. Number of terms in this series. So we know the first term, second, third, fourth term, and we also know the last term. Let it be nth term. Okay. So here first term a is equal to 12 and common difference let d is equal to a2 minus a1. So what is a2? So in this a2 is 15 and a1 is 12. So this is 3. So common difference is 3. So between these two 3, and the difference between these two is 3, and difference between these two is 3. Okay, so when a is 12 and common difference is 3, so the last term L, let it be nth term, and nth term is written as a plus n minus 1 into d, and which is given here is 90. Now take this. Okay, so here a is 12, so 12 plus n minus 1 into d. What is d? This is 3, so is equal to 99. So a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 99. So 12 plus n minus 1 into 3 is equal to 99. Now 12 plus 3 into n, 3n, and 3 into minus 1, minus 3 is equal to 99. Now this is plus 12 and this is minus 3, so which is equal to 9 plus 3n is equal to 99. Now transpose this 9 to that side. 3n is equal to 99 minus 9 is equal to 90, and n is equal to 90 minus 3 is equal to 30. Okay, so how many terms are there? 30 terms. There are 30 2 digits numbers are there which are divisible by. Find 11th term from last of arithmetic progression series given below. 10, 7, 4, dash, 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 minus 62. The last term is minus 62. So from this we have to find 11th term from the last. So from last term to in this direction we have to find 11th term. Okay, so answer here, so first term a is equal to 10 and common difference d is equal to a2 minus a1 is equal to 7 minus 10 is equal to minus 3. Common difference is minus 3. So last term, the last term L is equal to minus 62. In this last term is minus 62. So L can be written as a plus n minus 1 into d, which is equal to 62. Now a here is 10 plus n minus 1 into d. D how much? Common difference minus 3 is equal to minus 62. Now open this bracket. 10 minus 3 into n minus 3n and minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 is equal to minus 62. Now this 10 and this plus 3 plus 13 minus 3n is equal to minus 62. Now transpose this 13 to the other side. Minus 3n is equal to minus 62 minus 13. So this is equal to minus 75. Minus 3n is equal to minus 75. Now n is equal to minus 75 by minus 3. So minus minus gets cancelled. 75 by 3 is equal to 25. So number of terms in this series. So from here to here, how many terms are there? 25 terms. Okay. So we have to find 11th term from the last, from this side, from here we have to find 11th term. So in this direction we have to find 11th term. So 11th term from the last arithmetic progression is equal to 15th term from starting of arithmetic progression. So why? Because there are 25 terms in it. So from here, from the in the direction, 11th term is same as from in this direction 15th term. So 11th term from the last of AP is same as 15th term from the starting of this arithmetic progression. So now 15th term is written as a plus 15 minus 1 into d, which is a is 10 plus 15 minus 1 is equal to 14 and this d is minus 3. So 10 plus so this is 14 3 is how much? 42. 14 3 is 42. So minus 42, which is equal to minus 32. So this is the answer.